Hey guys, we're going to explore a really neat method that I found online to factor trinomials where the lead coefficient is not 1. It's easy peasy. Okay, ready? So let's take a look at this problem. 6x squared plus 17x minus 14. So what I'm going to do is multiply the 6 to the 14. Yep, it's negative. So 6 times 14 is 84. Now I'm going to rewrite this equation, or this expression. X squared plus 17x, but I'm going to use the negative 84. And now factor here. What are factors of the negative 84 that get us 17 by subtraction? Well, let's just start beginning with the 84. It's an even number, so I'll try 2. So 2 times 42, but that difference is definitely too big. That difference is 40, so no good. Well, let's just go up a notch. Let's just do 4 times 21. How do I know that? I just double the 2 and have the 42. And now take a look at this. I think I got lucky. Their difference is 17. So we're going to use these two. So x squared plus 21x minus 4x minus 84. And now I have x times x plus 21, negative 4 times x plus 21, and my factor pair has proved me right. Now the next step is to just go ahead and remember how we multiplied that 6 to the 14. Now I've got to undo that move to make sure things are balanced and divide by the 6, but just divide the constant term. And make sure that you reduce those fractions. So I have x plus, let's see, 3 divides 21 7 times and 3 divides 6 twice. And here I just cut them in half, 2/3. And the very last step is to get back to what the original form was. So here the little trick is you're going to multiply that 2 here and write 2x plus 7. And here 3x minus 2. And that's our answer. Isn't that cool? Now I know up here I did a little something with my factoring. Most students see it this way. Back at this step here, I could have just gone and written my binomial product, getting ready for that, x and x. We used 4 and 21, remember? And I could have just done this. But I just wanted to illustrate that, some teachers show kids this method here. Let's do another example. You ready? Let's do another example just to drive home how this works. And I'm not going to prove to you how this works because it's a little bit complicated, but trust me that it does. So let's do another one. So let's just take another polynomial. Let's take trinomial rather. Let's do 4x squared minus 4x minus the 15. Let's go ahead and factor this guy. So again, our technique is going to be multiply the first and last. So yeah, that's your AC idea. And I have negative 60. Rewrite, that's the next step. So multiply and then rewrite x squared minus 4x minus 60. And now factor. Are there two numbers that multiply to negative 60 and add to negative 4 that come to mind? Hopefully 10 and 6. So I need that 10 to be negative, and I need the 6 to stay positive. Double check, negative 10x gets me here, and there's my negative 60. But remember, now you're going to multiply back, or rather, sorry, divide back. Because we did a multiply of 4 times 15 up here, I have to undo that with by division. So I'm going to divide back by that 4, but just in the constant terms. Now go ahead and reduce. X minus 5 halves, x plus 3 halves, and then the last little trick, multiply, and multiply here. And voila! Works every time. So try it out. I think you'll find it really useful. The proof is a little bit involved. But some of you advanced kids might be able to get it. It is a little tricky. There's some changes happening here that might feel a little awkward. But again, we multiply the first and last. We rewrite the trinomial, factor this easier version. Then you have to reverse this multiplication that you did by division. Just divide the constants though. And then you've got your final answer here by multiplying your 2 and your 2 on this side. Bam, you're done. Very cool, right? I love it.